Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove a favorite filter that you saved before in your CapCut. So there is a feature where you can save a certain or a particular filter that you want to reuse it again for later. So here I'm going to show you how you can unsave or unfavorite that filter. So you need to go to filter. So first I'm going to show you how to make a filter as favorites. You can just long press on the filter and it will be added to your favorites. And how you can remove that, you can just click on this icon in here. This is the favorite or the save filter, and you can see there are four filters in here that I usually use, and I want to remove, for example, the one that I added before. So what you need to do is just you can do the same by when you add. So you can just long press on it and it will be removed from favorites. Click on a check icon and you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.